Today I'll be showing you the new plant. Let's go. So today guys, I will show you the new plant. This is the new plant. Okay, I don't know how to say it, but let's go to the central island. Let's go to the central island. And do you see this guy? Talk to him. See, I submitted 15 snowballs. And next is wait for a snowy brain rot. Like just wait. This is a snowy brain rot. If you see one, just bat it or make your plants attack it. And do you see your backpack? 5 out of 250. If it reaches 250, just talk to the guy again and you submit it. Just do this 5,000 times and you'll do it. Okay, this actually made me a lot of work. I don't have Robux, so this is hard work. Hard work, guys. Hard work!